PDP! Power to the people! Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to rely on the protocol that has already been established. I stand before you as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, a member of the People's Democratic Party, here with 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly who are very strong members of the PDP. We are here because 30th of August 2025 is another decisive day in the history of Rivers State. A day that the good people of Rivers State will dust their PVCs and go out to elect councillors and chairmen of the 23 local government areas of our dear state. It is indeed a great day for the third tier level of our dear nation. We are particularly delighted that on that day, things will be done right. On that day, councillors will be elected. We will now have properly elected council chairmen. It is on that day that Rivers people will once again say that indeed democracy has truly returned to the third tier level of our dear country in Rivers State. We are also happy that from the primaries that took place some days ago, the parties, particularly the PDP and of course other parties, allowed women to be part of this process. We are happy that we have vice chairmanship candidates across the various local government areas. That means women are being allowed to be part of this process at the local government area. Women, oh yeah! Women, are you happy? Women, are you happy? We also found out that the youths are part of this process. I have taken time to go through those who are contesting this election. Councillors, chairmen, chairmanship candidates. We have found out that we have youths as well. So that means our youths are part of this process. Our youths, are we happy? Youths, oh yeah! So for us, we are delighted. We thank the state chairman of PDP, the Honorable Aaron Chukwuemeka, for what you are doing for this party. Indeed, you are a party man. We want to thank the leaders of the party, the chairman of Elders Council, Chief Fede Alabraba. He has indeed shown that he has a father. He's a father in Rivers State. He has been preaching peace. We thank you, sir, for what you are doing. All the National Assembly members, all our leaders at all levels, our women, our youths, we thank you all for all the support you are giving to the Rivers State House of Assembly and of course our party. But very importantly, we say thank you to our political leader, our father, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, Minister of the FCT, for the leadership he has provided for this party and for our dear state. We are indeed grateful to him. All through these years, he has remained a leader. He has continually shown that indeed Rivers State needs to be one, no matter whatever divide that people may want to bring forward. So we thank him wherever he is. We thank him for showing that leadership. And I want to say on behalf of the members, all 27 of us, that we remain committed to this process. We will come out on the 30th, we will cast our votes, we will mobilize our people to vote for all the chairmanship candidates and of course all the councillorship candidates. Once again, I thank all of you. May God bless you. May God continue to keep River State. Thank you. And God bless you. America,